Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find all of the accounts linked to your email address. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now you can see here, I'm on an iPhone, just opening up a web browser. You can do this on any device, on any web browser, because we're just essentially going to access that email. And in this case, I'm going to go to google.com and tap on my profile at the top right. You need to make sure at the very top that is the email that you wanted to see all of those linked accounts for. In my case, Gmail that I'm going to walk you through. So I'm going to tap on Manage Your Google Account, and then from here, tap on Data and Privacy. This will show you all of the data and essentially all of the apps or accounts that are linked up to your account. You can choose to remove those if you wanted to. You can see it also has your web and app activity, your YouTube history, but let's scroll past those until we get to third-party apps and services. And this will show you all of those apps or websites you have linked to your email address. Now, you can remove those from having access to it just by tapping on that specific app or service and then scroll down and hitting the delete option. It says when you do delete that, keep in mind you'll lose all access to the features and services that you have when you link those together. So make sure you're okay with that. But if you are, just hit the confirm button and it will remove all of that connection. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.